2 months on from the groundbreaking ceremony, the Anfield Road expansion is beginning to take shape, with the first steelwork now being constructed on site. The £80 million expansion of the Anfield Road End has been a long-awaited development and will add around 7,000 seats, bringing Anfield's total capacity to 61,000. There's been notable progress in the last 9 weeks. The foundation work is now close to completion, and reinforced cages are now ready for concrete. And now we have the first cranes and steelwork being constructed. As you can see, the first steelwork connects to the existing lower Anfield Road stand and bridges what was the Anfield Road itself, and that will become the new area of the concourses inside the new lower Anfield Road. The area to the left of the temporary hoardings, the red temporary hoardings, will become what will be the internal covered fan park area, so it will be quite an expansive area. A significant progress and the major step with the steelwork being constructed, we should now start to see the framework of the new stand itself really start to take shape in the coming weeks and months. The whole process is due to complete in the summer of 2023, in time for what is currently set to be Jurgen Klopp's final season in charge of Liverpool. If you like our coverage here of the Anfield Road stand progress, be sure to give us a like and subscribe to This is Anfield, the definitive home of Liverpool Football Club.